the KATC Weather Lab. Here's Bradley's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, once again, Acadiana, or at least most of Acadiana, dodging the severe weather today. Most of that staying well off to our north and east. Now, the pattern's going to stay somewhat unsettled over the next couple of days with rain chances in the mix, but really they're going to peak late tomorrow night into Tuesday morning as a final disturbance pushes on through, and we could see a pretty good soaking out of that one, so we'll show you the numbers in just a second. But first, here's the satellite radar composite, and again, kind of talked about this at 5:30, and really going back to yesterday and Friday, we were going to have a warm front lifting northward today, and wherever that kind of stalled out this afternoon is where we were going to see the bulk of the shower and storm activity. Also, we had an upper level feature that was pushing on through as well, interacting with the frontal boundary. So that's where the showers and storms got going today. The threat of severe weather, pretty much extreme northern Acadiana, but more so Sinlaw on northward, and then now into Mississippi, Alabama, and portions of Georgia. So a rough go of it there late this evening. But for us here in Acadiana, not a whole lot going on. A few passing very light showers, nothing that's really amounting to much. Again, power Doppler 3 picking up on some of that activity here, moving through Maurice, southern portions of Lafayette Parish. Also, as we get into Upper St. Martin Parish, most of the activity there coming to an end. So these gradually moving off to the north and east, but again, nothing overly heavy or anything like that. So rain chances still with us overnight tonight, 20 to 30%, but that would be about it. As far as temperatures, they are going to be mild and muggy, low to mid 70s here at the 10 o'clock hour, and that's pretty much where they're going to hover for most of the night. Probably dropping a few more degrees into the lower 70s, maybe upper 60s for northern Acadiana, but that would be about it. Again, with some blips of green showing up here and there, so still the possibility of a passing light shower. And then for our Monday, again, it's going to be a warm day. Temperature is pushing well into the mid 80s. Notice the frontal boundary here kind of stalls out along, we'll say, or at least along and south of the I-10 corridor. And once we get some daytime heating tomorrow afternoon, could help to spark off a few showers and or a thunder shower. Not everyone gets wet, but rain chances at around 30 to 40%. And then here comes that disturbance I was talking about late tomorrow night into Tuesday morning, and that's going to generate a really good scattering of those showers and storms, some of which could be on the hefty side. So it could be a rough go of it there for the early morning commute on Tuesday. But then behind this system, drier air is going to be moving in, slightly cooler air as well Tuesday afternoon. And then once again as we head into Wednesday. Now, over the next 24 to 36 hours, there is going to be a low-end threat, level 1 out of 5, for the possibility that we see an isolated severe storm or two. So something we'll keep an eye on, but the threat there relatively low. As far as rainfall totals, the graph model again taking us through Tuesday, showing a good portion of the area could pick up 1 inch to 2 inches of rainfall. Some isolated higher amounts possible in spots. And the high-resolution rapid refresh model also backing up that thinking as well. So again, we'll have to keep an eye on that. Could have an isolated flash flooding threat there come Tuesday morning. As far as our temperatures, again, mild and muggy tonight, upper 60s to lower 70s. And then tomorrow afternoon, we're going to see readings pushing well into the mid 80s. So another very warm day here across Acadiana. 68 your projected low tonight, but if you're south of the I-10 corridor, probably going to be a couple of degrees above that. So again, we'll call it mild and muggy. And for our Monday, again, a few of those pop-up showers and thunder showers, mainly during the afternoon hours, but not everyone gets wet. Most of us get wet with some hefty storms tomorrow night, early Tuesday morning. So be on the lookout for that. But thereafter, we are looking at some slightly drier and cooler weather returning for the middle parts of the week before we warm right back up by the end of the week and heading into the following weekend. Well, that's a look at weather for now, but stay with us. We're going to have more news and sports coming up a little bit later on in the show.